Have you ever stopped to think about how important it is to share knowledge and strategy and optimize resources? In times of heated markets and sustainable business, making projects feasible in optimal, synergistic manner translates into technological differentials, competitiveness, and in savings for the company. We will get to know an example of a successful project that is being implemented taking all these issues into account. We will get to know the Acai NASA project, synergies across the world.
BASF is the worldwide leading company in acrylic monomers and superabsorbents. We are operating our highly efficient plants all over the world except for South America. With high growth rates in Asia as well as in South America, we are facing increasing demand for our acrylic monomers and superabsorbents, which are important raw materials for coatings, dispersions and paints, as well as for hygiene products, mainly for diapers for babies. As we could see, much economical reason for new production facilities in Brazil and in China. We came to our twin plan approach, which means using latest technology for acrylic monomers and for superabsorbents at the same time different places of the world, which is in Camaçari in the northeast of Brazil and in Nanjing in China.
More than technology and expertise, the project counted on the richness of bringing different cultures together to further contribute to the success of the project. A project bringing together technology, people and cultures from across the planet comes up against many challenges. But what are they? How are they faced with the world?
We are facing several challenges when we are executing this project. First, we have to deal with two owners' organizations within BASF. That's the BASF SA, BASF Brasilia. It's a joint venture between BASF and YPC in China, that's BYC. Then the next we have to overcome problems in communication, because we are executing our projects in two different continents. Within our team we have to integrate three different cultures. It's the European culture, the South American culture and the Asian, the Chinese culture. And we have to overcome different levels of technique, which means we have to balance different knowledge of engineering, different engineering skills in our teams, and we have to deal with different laws, different climate conditions which give design requirements for our plants, and we have to deal with different local standards. So all these challenges we have to overcome when we want to execute our project successfully.
To manage a project that has multidisciplinary team working in such different places and so far away from each other on the planet, it is necessary to have a clear, assertive work strategy that includes respect for the local rules and cultures.
We have highly motivated and skilled teams set up in Beijing, Nanjing, Sao Paulo and our home support in Ludwigshafen. Everybody, just like myself, is very much excited to be part of a special project like this one. A project like we have never done it before, a project that has lots of innovational character even for BASF, the chemical company with a major and global Wissensverbund structure. This project has lots of pioneering elements. And that's the reason why all of us are proud and excited to be part of this project. But besides all the excitements, there will be challenges and we will be facing lots of risks and also difficult situations. We have a very high diversified team with different cultures and different company backgrounds from all over the world. If we get lost in arguing about whose solution is the best, we will not be able to deliver. So it's very important for us to understand different is not wrong. If we understand this, and we take benefit of our diversity, then we will be able to deliver the best of East and West, which we already practiced, but also the best of Latin America. If we manage to act as one team, one target, one goal, which is the success of our project, we will be able to deliver what we are standing up for. Synergies across the world.
I'm Li Zheng from BASF YPC. I was nearly 8 months in BASF Germany for basic engineering, a twin plants for China and Brazil. The idea to bundle the projects for both sides is brilliant. They have the same production technology and the same capacity. The efforts, resources, time and money will be saved by doing this. However, this is a challenging project. The most interesting point is that you always need to adjust yourself to cooperate with people from different countries. There are always different considerations and requirements for different sides. Like the temperature for both sides are different. Earthquake calculation for Brazil is not required, or different mandatory local regulations. Nevertheless, the basic engineering has been done fluently, and I'm ready for next step and full of confidence.
We have established an office in Beijing where we develop the engineering and the main procurement activities for the GAA and SAP plants, only once for both regions. With the multidisciplinary team, BASF will support and monitor the effectiveness of the process in Beijing and also in Brazil so as to ensure results. Sinopec has committed to use their strong expertise in project execution, especially to provide full support to engineering of GAA and SAP plants in Beijing office and the future construction in Nanjing. We believe that the Beijing team established by BASF Ludwigshafen, BASF Brazil, BASF YPC and Sinopec together with 40 persons as one team will incorporate BASF technology concept into the detailed engineering packages, and that this team will complete these projects successfully.
For the first time, Brazil is doing the engineering outside of its regions, but also leveraging opportunities and competitive costs. Of course that we are worried about local codes and regulations, but we are trying to maximize as much as possible the copy of the existing plants and also the cloning between NASA and Acai. The costs will be shared among the regions. We just have to guarantee a win-win process. Our challenge in this project is to turn intercultural differences and local expertise on an opportunity that makes the difference on the business world.
We are starting a success story. We will join the demand of 2 or more regions, respecting the cultural differences and specificities of each region. We will do the best for our company. May this pioneering work be yet another example and a solid contribution to sustainable growth of BASF's business in Brazil and worldwide.